I just unboxed my new Wi-Fi camera that Amcrest sent me, and this is everything I got. This camera comes in both black and white, and it's a tabletop camera that rotates with a 93-degree wide angle. Around back, there's an Ethernet port if you wanted to hardwire this to your home network. There's also a USB-C port, which I'll use to keep this charged up at all times. We also have a speaker here because this camera allows two-way remote communication. And take a look at how long this charging cable is, which will give me much more options on where I can place this camera once I plug it into a wall outlet. And then here's a quick setup guide. And there's a warranty card here as well as a few other inserts about the app and cloud storage if you choose that option. I love how this setup guide is so simple to read. The steps are numbered with clear instructions and colored diagrams as a reference. This little camera can be used to monitor your pet while you're away from the home. You can set it in the kitchen facing the stove, so if you ever forget whether you turned off the oven, you can log in and double check it. Or you can have this camera mounted on a wall to survey an entire room. In a follow-up video, I'll go ahead and show you how to get this camera set up and ready for in-home monitoring, so stay tuned.